Okay, now children, here listen here. Yesterday I started rural local self-government, is it? So, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I told you that we have three levels of Indian government. Okay, that is central government, state government, local self-government. So, what we are studying in this lesson? The local self-government. Okay, and in local self-government, again, what we are studying here? See here, the division of local self-government. Here it is rural local self-governments and urban aerial or local self-governments. Okay. So, these two are there for you this year. Okay. So, the first lesson is rural local self-governments. Understood, children? So, I started local self-government yesterday. Okay. In that, I explained you about the constitution. So, what the person Balwant Rai Mehta, he suggested that we should decentralize the powers, okay, of union and central government. And then I explained you what is Panchayati Raj, okay. It is a local form of government, okay. Then I told you the village Panchayati Raj is divided into three levels. That is Panchayats, Block Samitis and Jilla Parishads. Can you see my slides, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So all this put together is known as Panchayati Raj. This also I explained yesterday. Then even I showed this picture, okay, where you can see that Panchayats, Block Samiti, Jilla Parishads come under rural local self-government. Okay. So even this also I explained yesterday. And this is the pyramid, okay, where Jilla Parishad comes at the top, then Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat, okay. Then I told you about the functions of the block Samiti, okay. So here you can see this was the pyramid which I told you. So who is at the top in the Jilla Parishad? Who is appointed? The district collector. Then here in Panchayat Samiti, BDO, that is known as Block Development Officer. And then in Panchayat, you can see that Sarpanch, and he is also known as Pradhan. He will be the head of the Panchayat. Okay. So even I explained you about the significance of Panchayati Raj. Then I told you what is Panchayat. Okay, so a committee which has how many members? Just tell me. In Panchayat, how many members will be there?
30 members.
5 members. Yes. Yes, 5 elderly members. Okay, so we treat them as God. Okay, so whatever decisions are given by them regarding any issues or any problems, so we have to accept them. Okay, so this was appreciated from the ancient times. Okay, then I explained you the organization of a village panchayat. Okay, so here you can see that almost we have Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat. So till here I have taught you yesterday. Okay. So today I am going to start the Gram Sabha. Okay. So as you can see that Gram Sabha is nothing but the village assembly. So every village has a Gram Sabha. Okay. So in that adults, male, female and who is 18 years of age and above. Okay. So they are the members of the Gram Sabha. Okay. So at least they meet twice a year. Okay. So for what purpose? To pass the annual budget and to discuss the problems. Okay. Children, who is Sandeep? Please don't talk in between. Then, members of Gram Sabha elect the Gram Panchayat members. Okay, through which process? Secret ballot. Secret ballot is what? They will be having a secret ballot box. In that, the members will be elected. Okay, so they will be standing for the elections, and the villages will be electing them by putting the vote for those members. Okay, so through secret ballot. Then you can see that the membership varies from, so it depends on the population of the village. Okay, so it varies from 100 to 1000. Okay, if 1000 population is there, so membership will increase. Okay, so is it clear, children, here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one is the Gram Panchayat. Okay, so this is the second one, that is also called as village panchayat. So it is a small committee. Okay, so it will be having 7 to 30 members. Okay, who will be elected by whom? By the Gram Sabha. So Gram Sabha will elect these members. Okay, and it is a small committee. So normally in this committee, seats will be reserved for which classes? Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay, it depends on the population of the this caste. Okay, so if the population is more, so they will be having more number of members. Okay, reserved seats. So same way, you can see that even 1/3 of the what we call it as the membership, in that the seats are reserved for women also. Okay, so reservation for women is also there in this committee. Okay, and in addition to the women, okay, those who belong to the SC/ST. SC/ST means what? Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Okay, I have written there short. Okay, so that is nothing but scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. So is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Next is
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Now Sarpanch. As we know that Sarpanch is what? Tell me. Can anyone tell me? Sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
he is called by many names. Okay. So for example, in UP, okay, he is called as Sarpanch. Okay. In Bihar, he is called as Mukhia. Okay. So they are called by different names in different states. His duty is to call what? What is his duty? Pradhans or Sarpanch? He will call the meeting of which? Of Panchayat committee and also the Gram Sabha members. Okay. So what he'll do? He will call these members and he will have a meeting. Okay. So in case if the members are, if the Sarpanch is absent, okay, if he is not able to come for the meeting. So what will happen now? In his absence, okay, the responsibility will be taken by vice president. Okay, so vice president will be taking this meeting, and you can see that he will attend the meeting and he will discuss the problems. Okay, and for this meetings, all these panchayat members, they don't get salary for this. Okay, so it is their wish, they are the members of this panchayat. Okay, so they don't get salary. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. So here a panchayat secretary. He will be the secretary of the panchayat. Okay. So here you can see that uh, he is a paid officer. Okay. So the members who are there in the panchayat, they are not paid. Okay. They don't get salary. Okay. But whereas this secretary who is the appointed in panchayat, children, you should not ask me like this in between. My name is Snehal ma'am. Okay, children, you can ask me later on. Now, he is a paid officer, okay, by district magistrate. So, who appoints him? The district magistrate or deputy commissioner. Okay, children. Now, he maintains the records. What is his work? He will maintain the records of the panchayat, okay, and he will register, and the registers also, which will be done in the meetings. Okay, so whatever work is done in the meetings or whatever work is done in the villages, so what he will do, he will maintain the records and registers whatever work is done. Okay, and what, even also he prepares its accounts also. So whatever his accounts will be there, even that also he'll prepare. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now the duration
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the panchayat. Okay, duration means the period. Okay, so for how many years they will be members of the panchayat. Okay. Now panchayat is elected for 5 years. Okay, and it will dissolve in case of inefficiency, if they are not working properly, if they are not managing the all the things properly. So what will happen now? They will dissolve or they will cancel the panchayat members. Okay, so you can see that the panchayat is elected for 5 years and you can see that they can dissolve also. Okay, they can cancel the panchayat members if they are not working properly. Then new panchayat is elected within a 6 months. So for in case if the panchayat which is there working, they are not doing properly, working properly. Okay, so what will happen now? A new panchayat will be elected. Okay, so a new 5 members of panchayat will be elected in that period. Okay, those who have been removed. So what will happen now? Within 6 months they have to be elected. Okay, because the period is still there 5 years, and in between this panchayat is dissolved or cancelled. Now what will happen? This new panchayat will be elected, and this new panchayat will work for the remaining period, okay, of that 5 years. So they have to work. So this new panchayat will continue the earlier panchayat. Okay, you understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now, yes. Now the functions of the village panchayat. So now as we know that what work they do, okay, the village panchayat, how it works. Okay?
Am I not hearing your voice?
Just increase your volume. Just check.
Just check.
Can you hear?
Can you hear? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, your voice is echo.
Okay, okay. Now,
Okay. Now? No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
okay, fine.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, the functions of the village panchayat can be divided into 2 classes. So, what work they are doing, okay? So, it can be divided into 2 types.
Audio is big. No, ma'am.
What happened, children? You are able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 classes, essential or compulsory function we call the first one, and the second one is optional or voluntary function. So the first one is compulsory, they have to do this work, okay, and the second option is what they can do or voluntarily they can do. Okay, children, is it clear? Sorry, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now first we'll study the essential functions. Okay, so what it does? Someone is disturbing me, children. Don't make noise there. Here, you can see that what the essential function? It is nothing but they will look after the construction and the repairs of roads. Okay, and it will plant the trees also. Okay. It will plant the trees. Then they will look after the construction and repairs of the wells and tanks in the villages. Even you can see that they will provide lights. Okay, they will provide clean drinking water. Okay, so clean drinking water and also sanitation, and then public health, they will look after the public health and the maintenance of the public places. So all this they will take care. Okay, so these are nothing but the essential functions. Okay, even they see that the public streets which are there in the villages, they will clean the streets. Okay, so the cleanliness of the public streets, then the collection of the rents. If any places have been given for rents, so they will collect the rents. Even they will keep the records of the births and deaths. So if the person if the person is dead in that village or in any other village, so it will keep the record. Okay, and if any person is born, even that also records. So we get a birth certificate, do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, we get a
Ma'am.
yes. From the municipal corporation, okay, because we live in the city, okay, whereas in the villages they get in the village panchayats, okay, so they will get the birth certificate, even the death certificate. So everything they will get from the panchayat, okay. Then maintenance of the burial and cremation grounds. That means what? If the person is dead, okay, if anyone expires, okay, so what happens now? The person should be buried somewhere, okay. So they will be having one cremation ground where we call it as, what do you mean by cremation ground? Can anyone tell me? In your language, you can tell me.
The place where the
Yes.
persons are being.
Yes, yes, very good. So whether dead persons are buried, okay, or burned, okay. So they will.
Graveyard.
Yes, very good. Okay,
Man,
so they will.
Kabristan.
Yes, very good. So they will maintain these places. Okay, even the removal of encroachment on roads and streets. Encroachment means what? If the road is there, okay, in the villages. So sometimes what happens? The people who live along the roads, what they will do? They will try to increase their places. Okay, like for example, they will build compounds. Okay, they will build a small road, and they will occupy the road also. Have you seen in some villages? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so they will occupy them. So what they will do, this panchayat, it will try to remove that encroachments, okay, and wherever it will be there, so they will try to remove, and also they will supply good seeds and fertilizers. So even they will take care that they will provide high yielding variety seeds, that is the good seeds and fertilizers for the village people. Then they will promote what? The minor agriculture. Minor agriculture means what? The people who do the small in the small agricultural land, they will be growing some crops. Okay, so if the water is not available there, so what they will do, they will provide them irrigation facilities, and they will provide irrigation facilities and they will promote this agriculture. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then yes, yes, then they will even look after the facilities. Okay, so what type of facilities? Like village grazing ground. That means that in the villages you can see that animals, for example cow or buffalo, so they will take the animals to graze the ground. Yes, they will take, yes, in the grasslands, and they will allow the animals to eat the grass. Is it or not? Yes. and and also the
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and also the nearby forest, so they will see that they will be providing
Yes,
these
ma'am.
facilities. Okay, then the supervision of primary schools, so they even they take care of what? The primary school also. So in villages you can see that some primary schools are run by the panchayats, and they will be providing free education in the primary schools. Okay, so they will guide the primary schools. So this is one more function. Then welfare of the weaker sections. So what they will do, the weaker sections of the society, for example those who are poor people, or even women, or also even children, so they will look after their people, them, and they will provide the facilities. Okay, so the next one is what? The supervision over the working of the government. Like they will appoint some of the government servants in the villages. Okay, like patwari, lekpal, the police constable, chowkidar. So whatever those who keep the records, no, in the villages, they will be appointed by the government. Okay, and the vaccinator, if the person, doctors or the nurses, those who come for the vaccination, even they will be appointed by the government. Okay, so they will be servant governments. So what they will do, they will look after them, they will guide them, and whatever work they are doing, they will see that. Okay, so these are the functions which are the compulsory functions. Okay, children, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this is nothing but a picture of primary school. Okay, supervision or supervising the primary schools. So they will look after the primary schools in the villages. Okay, so where everyone will get the education. So they will go to their houses and they will tell them to send their children to the primary schools. So they will see to it that every child is getting education. Okay, in the villages. Someone is disturbing me, children. Please don't play with the this thing earphones. Now next is the optional or voluntary functions. Okay, so here you can see that what is the voluntary function, or with their wish they will do this all work. Okay, it is not a compulsory function. So these are some of the optional or voluntary functions. First one, they will look after the hospital for the cattle. Okay, the management. Okay, so they will see that the hospital for the cattle, like animals, where the buffalo or the cows or any animal. Okay, so where they will take care. Okay, so where they will be given medication. Okay, so this will be taken care by the village panchayat. Then management of the village market. So you might have seen in the villages where the village market will be there. Yes, they will be having one day. Okay, for village market. So for example, they will keep any one day where all the people will come and sell the vegetables. Have you seen that? So they will manage this also. Okay. Then organize recreation and entertainment programs. For example, you will see that they will arrange some of the programs, okay, like entertainment programs in the villages. For example, akharas. Can you tell me what is akharas? Anyone can tell me what is akharas? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now akharas is nothing but what, what we call it as kusti. They play, no, in the villages. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is called as akharas. Okay, so it is an entertainment program for the people. The people, they come and watch this, and also the village sports. Okay, so they will be playing some of the sports which the village people will enjoy. So this all organizing the entertainment programs will be taken care by the village panchayat. Then opening and maintaining reading rooms. Okay, so they will see that a library has been opened there. So they will maintain that reading room and library so that every person can come and sit and read the books there. Okay, so this also will be taken care by the village panchayat. And also holding village fair. Village fair means what? Can anyone tell me? What do you mean by village fair?
Fun fair.
Yes. What we call in another word? Jatra. Have you heard this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am, in
there,
Marathi they will tell.
yes. So Mela, in Hindi we call it as Mela. Okay. So Mela, in Hindi we call it as Mela. Okay. So they So here you can see that holding village fair. So here you can see that holding village fair. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice.
Yes. Let me check.
Your voice.
Is it breaking?
Now,
Ma'am, your voice is coming to two.
Now is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Voice is coming to two.
Now is it clear? Okay. Management
ma'am.
of hospital maternity
Yes, ma'am.
and
No,
child
ma'am.
welfare center. Now is it audible? You can hear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Even they will take care of the hospital maternity. Okay? सबको बुलाओ. And child welfare center. Now is it हो रहा है? You can hear. हो रहा है. आवाज
Yes,
हो रहा है.
ma'am.
They will
Not here. Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
children, you mute your voice. Care of the maternity. If you will not mute your voice, then my voice will be echo.
Ma'am, your voice is.
Now is it clear? Okay. Now management of hospital maternity and child welfare center. Okay, so what they will take care, they will see that the hospital for the women. Okay, maternity home means what, where the women have been delivered. Okay, so they will deliver the child. Okay, pregnant ladies, and also the child welfare center. So they will see that the children are also taken care. Okay, so all this will be managed by the village panchayat. Okay, and also they will see that they will provide the drinking water huts. Okay, so small huts, so they will take care of the huts where the drinking facilities will be provided to these areas. Okay, so is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what is this, can you tell me?
Ma'am, there are people who are sitting for a meeting.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes. So they will sit together and they will discuss on the problems. Okay. So in the villages you can see. Okay. It is a panchayat. Okay. Very important members will be sitting, 5 members, and along with them other village members, all village people will be sitting. Now the sources of the income. Okay. So how the village panchayat or the village people will be sitting. Now the sources of the income. Okay. So how the the village panchayat or the village state, children, you have to mute your voice. Children, you have to mute your voice. Okay. Now, taxes on houses of shops. If the taxes on houses of shops, okay, they receive this taxes, okay, wherever they will give the houses and shops for the rent, okay, they will get the taxes from this, okay. And also where they will arrange the fairs and the market, village markets, so there also they get the taxes, okay. So taxes will be imposed on this and they will receive the taxes. Taxes are nothing but which money which has been collected by the people, okay, those who will arrange the fairs and markets, okay. Then also free fee from registration of the sale and purchase of cattle. So sometimes what happens in the villages, they will sell the animals also. Buying and selling animals will take place. Now for these, they have to register, okay, the animals, okay. So how many animals have been sold, which animal they are going to buy. So all this registration is done, okay. And for this registration, they have to pay the fee. So this is also an income for the village panchayat, okay. Then income from sale of public property, okay. So whatever public property will be there in the villages, they will try to sell, okay. So when they will sell, the amount which will be collected, that will be the source of income, okay. So it will be an income for the village panchayat. Then government grants. So sometimes what happens, government will provide the facilities, free facilities, okay. They will provide funds, they will provide money, okay, to the villages to develop the village, okay. So this is also an income for the village panchayat, okay. So where they can use this money for the development of the villages. And also the income from the trees and garbage. That means what, sometimes trees have been cut, okay, and sometimes the garbage which has been, garbage means what, the waste which has been collected, okay, from the houses and the nearby places. So that for that also they can get income. How? Because they collect and they throw it for what we can say, decomposition or recycling. So somewhere it is a source of income, okay. So where they get the money from that, okay. Even the loans from the bank. So sometimes what happens, if they want to develop something or they want to construct something like a school or hospital, so what happens, now they will approach the banks. So the bank will provide loans for them, okay. So at very low rate of interest. So where they will construct the hospitals and the schools which they require, and it will be a source of income for them also, okay. So now is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well,
Yes. Now again, yes. Now again,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
mute your voice.
Yes,
Now next, the Nyay Panchayat, which is the third one. Okay. Now here you can see that the Nyay Panchayat. There is one Nyay Panchayat for 3 to 4 villages. So nearby 3 to 4 villages will be there. There they will be having one Nyay Panchayat. Nyay Panchayat means what? Same like the court, okay. So here you can see that the people, they will come, they will elect the members of the Nyaya Panchayat, okay. Village Panchayat people will come and they will elect the members of the Nyaya Panchayat. And what they will do in this, they will take care of the judicial functions. Judicial functions means what, wherever the cases have been solved, okay. So for example, they will deal with the minor cases like trespassing. So sometimes people may do some wrong things, okay, and even the thefts like robbing or stealing something. So these issues will be also brought in the Nyaya Panchayat. And also petty crimes. Petty crimes means small crimes, okay. Here you can see that small crimes. So for small disputes, no lawyers are needed. So they don't require lawyers, okay. So as we know that we have lawyers in the court, yes, but in this Nyaya Panchayat, they don't require lawyers, okay. What they will do, the members which are elected here, these members only will take care of this all problems and they will try to solve the problems, okay. As possible, early as possible, they will try to solve, okay. So what they will do, immediately they will come together and they will try to solve this problem. If anyone is found guilty or any mistake he has done, he will be fined, okay. So he has to pay the fine. So these small punishments will be given to the people, okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, can you tell me
Ma'am.
what is this picture?
Ma'am, there is a woman.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is a woman.
Yes, and he is the member of the Nyay Panchayat, and
Naya Panchayat.
yes, and she's a woman sarpanch. Okay, she is a lady. As we know that we have one third reservation for the women's also. Yes or no? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so we have a
Yes,
woman
ma'am.
here and who is taking the speaking about the issues. Okay, if any cases are there, so she is trying to solve here. So this picture shows about that. Okay, now the significance of the village panchayat. Okay, so here you can see that it plays a very important role. Okay, so they help the people in solving their own problems and reduce the burden of the government. So what will happen? They will try to solve their problems. Okay, and ultimately they will reduce the burden of the government. Then they will provide what you know. The village provides the first lesson of democracy. What? That how to vote. Okay, that the chance they get for voting the to elect the panchayat. Okay, so this way they will have the chance of voting. Okay, the panchayat members. So this is the first lesson which they get. Then they are the primary centers. Okay, so you can see that village panchayat will is the primary center to impart education. Impart education means what? To provide education. Okay, with the cooperation and the self help. So each other they will cooperate and they will provide the education. Okay, then village to be self dependent. It will tell the villages that you have to be self dependent. Okay, and you should try to find your own resources. Whatever resources are available in the villages, that you should try to develop. Okay, and also it is the basis of the okay, the network may be slow, so I'll speak slowly. Even basis of panchayati raj, that means what? So panchayati raj, we have a what we call it as a pyramid. Okay, in that you can see that panchayati raj, in that the village panchayat comes at the ground level. Okay, so it is the base for the panchayat raj. Then it helps to establish democracy. Okay, so where everyone will take part and they will be having equal rights at the grassroots level, where at the base level. Okay, so everyone take part in each and every a thing which will be taken care by the people, and they will join together, they will try to solve the problem, and they will take decisions collectively. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
yes. Now
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
to panchayat and state government. What is the relationship between the panchayat and state government? So that is explained here. Panchayat are under the state government. Okay. It, yes, it comes under the state government. Okay, where they frame the rules to regulate their working. So what they will do? They will frame certain rules. They will introduce certain rules where they will work according to that rules. Okay. Here you can see that even they will appoint the panchayat inspectors. Okay, why? So that they can check their work. Okay, so the panchayat members are working properly or not, that they will see. Okay, so the government, state government will appoint panchayat inspectors. Then the state government gives grants and loans to the panchayat. So sometimes what happen, even state government provides them funds with the loans, so that they can develop their villages. And in case if the panchayat is not working properly, okay, according to the state government, so they have the right, okay, to remove that panchayat. They can cancel the panchayat members. Okay, then the state election commission, okay, the election commission which holds the election. Okay, so they will be responsible for elections of the panchayat also. So what they will do? They will take elections in the panchayat. Okay, so they are nothing but the state election commission. Then it is a strong, they have a strong link between the state government and the panchayat. Okay, so you can see that if we have introduced this panchayati raj, now it has been a strong link between the what we can call it as panchayat and the government. Okay, so is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now
Yes, ma'am.
here you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that they have made a diagram here. Okay, so a chart which explains about the organization of the village panchayat, which I have already explained you now. The Gram Sabha, the Gram Panchayat, the Nyaya Panchayat. So what this they do, these three of them. See, Gram Sabha will take care and they will pass the annual budget. Okay, they will try to pass the budget. Gram Panchayat, it will look after the development of the village. So construction of roads, providing facilities. So all these things will be taken by Gram Panchayat. The Nyaya Panchayat, what it will do? It will look after the judicial functions. That means the cases, the crimes which takes place in the villages, that it will try to solve. Okay. Now is it clear with this chart, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see children. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now here you can see that I have completed my lesson. Okay, today. So I explained you yesterday the rural local self government. In that I have explained you all the points. Okay. So here you can see that I have explained you everything. Okay. So in that I explained you about the what we call it as this. Just a minute. Okay. Significance of panchayat, and then I explained you what is Panchayati Raj. Then I explained you the rural local self-government. Then I explained you the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj. You can see my slides? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
I explained you the Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat. Okay. So all these things I explained you today. Even I started the organizations which are there in the village panchayat, that is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat. So this also I explained you today. Okay. So children, just tell me in panchayat how many members will be there?
Five.
Yes.
Ma'am, five.
Yes.
Ma'am, five.
Very good.
Ma'am, five elder members.
Yes. And you can just tell me what is the head of that panchayat is named as?
Ma'am, Sarpanch.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sarpanch.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sarpanch.
Yes. Okay.
Sarpanch.
What is the period for that panchayat? How many years they will live there, work there?
5 years.
Yes. 5 years. Yes. Yes.
5 years.
Yes. And who is the person who is appointed for all this work? What is the name of that person?
Panchayat secretary.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So even I told you the functions of the village panchayat. So which are the two functions? Just tell me.
Essential or compulsory functions and optional or voluntary functions.
Yes, very good. So all this I have explained you today. Okay. Even I told you. See children, now the meeting is going to end. I am going to send the big answers and objectives with this video link. You have to write down the questions also. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which textbook has came?
No, Baba. We will inform you. Okay? Don't worry about that. Okay?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.